Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change password on Facebook. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is firstly open the application, then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now just simply click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now over here you will see an option of account center, and below that you will find the option for see more in account center. Choose that. Now the reason that you're changing the account password is you might think that someone suspicious have logged in to your Facebook account, or your Facebook account password have leaked somehow. So what you're going to do instead is just simply log out any unauthorized user. So for that, all you have to do is scroll down, click on password and security, and over here you will find an option for where you have logged in. So choose that up. Now over here you will find all the devices that are connected with your account. So if you find any suspicious device, just simply log out from here and then they won't be able to log in back. Now to make it completely safe, just simply change the password after that. For doing that, go back to the menu, and over here in the top you will find the option of change password. Choose that, then choose account. Now over here all you have to do is just simply enter your current password, then enter your new password and re-enter your password, and after that just simply click on change password and your password will be updated. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.